Hello everybody. Hey, I'm gonna do a different kind of video today. Outdoors for Adventure, that's the name of a YouTube channel, had a little giveaway for his 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I happen to be one of the winners. So I'm just going to show you a little thank you package that he sent me. And I've been feeling under the weather. We still have snow here, and I can't really do too much with the cars outside, but I do have actually an idea maybe to kind of get the ball rolling on the diode removal modification on the 144001. So I'm going to try that out and see how that works. And if I can get it together, I'll get that posted in the next day or two. So thanks everybody for watching. Check this guy's channel out. I'll put a link down here. And while we're on the subject of channels, I wanted to thank all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm up to just above 300 now. Unbelievable to me, but thanks guys and girls. I really appreciate it. This is what the whole channel's about, is you guys. So anything you want to know, questions, comments, put them down below. Let's go and get started. This is the package I got in the mail. It's from Outdoors for Adventure, is the name of his YouTube channel. And this is from the 1,000 subscriber giveaway that he held. And I can tell you one thing that's in there because I can smell it. It's called coffee. And it smells wonderful. Oh, cool. Literally, it's a cooling wrap. You put water on it and wrap it around your neck, and it keeps you cool. Emergency thermal blanket and a paracord bracelet, and those are very handy. A bullet bar. Hey, he just did a video on that. I've never seen these or never noticed them before. So now I have a bullet bar and double chocolate mousse. So we're going to have a bullet bar experiment. An adult rain poncho. Man, and that's the thing I was smelling. So roasted February 3rd, Ethiopia. Yeah, February 3rd, 2020, Ethiopia, it says. Man, man, it smells good. So a big thank you, and if you've never been to his channel, it's an edutainment type channel. So some education, some entertainment, and it's just a fun channel to watch. So a big thank you for those gifts, and everybody go by his channel, check him out.